florist on the corner's got a line out the door, selling promises and petals like they're worth something more. I kept the reservation at the place where we met, but I'm staring at a menu I haven't opened yet. The candle's flickering, fighting the air. There's a ghost sitting right in your favorite chair. What do I do with the red when everything's blue? How do I celebrate us without any you? The world's painting pictures of forever and always, while I'm chasing shadows down these empty hallways. Yeah, the calendar's lying, it's just another Tuesday on this lonely, cold Valentine's Day. I saw a card in the window with a poem you'd like, about a love that burns steady like a neon light. But my light is out and the city is loud. I'm just a face in a heartbroken crowd. Do I drink the wine? Do I make a toast to the one I loved the most? Is it a crime to wish the day away, just to wake up in a different shade of gray? What do I do with the red when everything's blue? How do I celebrate us without any you? The world's painting pictures of forever and always, while I'm chasing shadows down these empty hallways. Yeah, the calendar's lying, it's just another Tuesday on this lonely, cold Valentine's Day. Table for one, please. Just the ghost and me, with the red and the blue missing.